Is the poor spending habit of your spouse the reason why they always they quarrel, they fight? If yes, no worry again, oh, because by the end of this video, you go learn how to manage your finance in marriage more effectively and collectively without an expert. No expert you need to help you. So just stay for this video. Make you learn everything you need to learn. See, before I go on, make I tell you this. I'm not be financial expert. So anything I talk here, make you try your best to make sure say you do your due diligence. Make I talk am again. I no claim to be financial expert. I'm not. Wetin I dey try to teach you and things when I don't apply for my marriage and they work. Because for my marriage, make I tell you, I face a lot of kata when it comes to finance. Me and my wife will go the quarrel, who go manage this, who go manage that. It got to extent when me say I say na me be the man, even when I me the waste money they pass. I mean, when I me the waste money pass, I say my wife no go manage, and she felt saying that she just manage money where make she dey in charge of money. So it really affect us. So I want to share how newly married couples go manage their finance more effectively. Intending couples, make una pay attention. Even you who don't marry, pay attention to these two things when I go share for this video, because it go save a lot of challenges when it comes to finance. Now, the first one when una go do, na to have what is called joint account. You and your wife or your husband, una go waka go bank, go tell bank say una want open joint account. They go ask una say, it be the names. Una go put your name and your husband name or your wife name and your name. Now so una go do them. When I still dey work for bank, that account, be like say no they give debit card, but somebody told me now they now give debit card. So this is how the management comes now. When una do open that account, una go say one person should be the signatory to the account. That means the two of una go be signatories. So, but one person ain't go to do the withdrawals. So una go decide between una. If not the husband go to withdraw, fine. If not the wife, fine. The other person ain't go be in charge of notification. Now the other person number they go put to the receive debit and credit alert. Now what una go do to manage your finance? It no mean say all una money now carry and put for this account. Oh, no. Maybe you they work, you they do business. Every month una go decide, say, okay, we go put 10, 20, even 5,000. This account now for project account, project, something like house rent, children's school fees, building project, any other thing. Then the rest money when una get, go be for una own. Una fit do other things. Because not be when you want give mama money, you go meet your wife, say, I need to withdraw money from that one savings and send to mama. You go still keep your own finance. This will really help you do well. So say as soon as go do them. These days, bank apps for phones, you fit authorize them, say, so day withdraw debit so money from my account and send it to so account. That's what you can do. Like, I know one come here and mention some banks. My bank, I fit go for the app, say schedule payment. I'll say if my salary they come like on the 30th or 2nd, I fit say on the 3rd, 4th, make this bank, make my bank debit me maybe 20,000, 10,000 and transfer them into this saving, joint savings when me and my wife get. This thing will really help una stop kata where they come as a result of one person they spend anyhow, the other person they manage, because money they really cause big issues. Yet now I tell you now, money they really cause big issues. You see money they cause big issues. Now you where they watch me, if this video where they watch, that be my first video where you ever come across, go comment section, comment first time. And if you don't watch 1, 2 or 3 of my videos, go comment regular, so that I go really take time come appreciate you. Out of million videos when they here, now my own you choose to watch. I don't take this for granted. I want to engage with you in the comment section and really appreciate you. And don't forget to like this video if what you the hear really makes sense. Like I talked before, things don't change. This thing I they talk now when I they work for bank. Now I see this thing because now waiting some couples. I know how many people I was the account manager when couples, when I be the account manager, when practice this joint savings to really stop the issue of conflict. Now, the second type when I want to share with you now, the one when I do for with me and my wife do. This one I means of like kickstarting your children with savings. We started with my daughter. We take our daughter and then go open accounts for her. And some banks, they call their own Kiddies, UCare, Next Gen, Teen, and the rest. I don't know the name your bank, they call them. Go carry that your daughter, go open accounts. Now, your daughter never reach that picking. Make sure say never reach 18 if you want to do the one with me and my wife do. Never reach 18. So we use the name. We collect her this thing, her birth certificate. We use that one. Now she be the account holder. Now she get the account. Now name they inside the account. Now name then the account they bear. Her date of birth and the rest. Then you, one of nine go be signature for the account. So my passport for our own case, my passport follow. See her passport here, see my passport here. But now me go they do withdraw. Now what do we do? Be say, now let me make withdrawals for that account. But waiting be say, my wife now they in charge of notification. Now phone number we put for the bank. When we say all the debit and credit alerts, now she they see them. So nothing I go fit do for that account. Even if I secretly go withdraw, she go see them. So what would they do? They say, would they join hand together? Say, okay, you see this money, Mok will put 20,000. Me, if you say, okay, baby, I go they put 20,000 every month. You put 10,000. And this money maybe now for house rent, school fees, project, and the rest. It they really help. You know, means say would they carry all our money put. Everybody still get their own individual account. My wife get her own. I don't care what she does with her own. And this one, immediately I receive salary. I put money. I go take maybe our upkeeps, house upkeeps, give madam. She go put them. So for our own account, not be the joint account when I talk. So this strategy can really, really help. Now, how you find this video when you they watch now? You be the browse on YouTube, now you find them. Or you go watch another video, now they suggest this video to you. Or you go Google, go search, now you find this video. They shock me how people they watch my videos. So I really, really want to take time, know how now they find my videos. So I beg, go comment section, tell me how you find this video. And again, person tell me say I do the bond for my videos. I hope say I smile for this video this time. When I don't mind me on the nature. I'm not the really smiling type when it comes on camera, but when you meet me one-on-one, you will know I'm very friendly. I did very friendly. So I beg, permit me, forgive me if I know they smile often. Sometimes they remember to smile, but I will be smiling. I hope that you like her. So this will really help you manage your finance. Like I said, you don't need any expert. Because I discuss this, why some people know they manage their money effectively and collectively in marriage. They say they will go meet financial advisor, banker, and the rest. See, technology has made it possible when they say you go fit do everything. Take this advice from ex-banker, if you will call it. But I say I'm not the financial manager. Yet I talk, I'm not the financial manager. So do your due diligence. It will really, really help you. Please, it will really, really help you. Since the day me and my wife started practicing this second type I shared, where we use our daughter's name to manage our funds, they tell you say kata for money don't end, because touching money when we are not supposed to touch na no go area, because I no go know how to explain to my wife. And they say, of what good it is if you get peace for outside and you no get peace for home. So it really helps. And I will encourage men when believe say why will a wife be involved in the finance? Some challenges when we they get for house is because our wife don't know how much they pay us, and even when she don't know how much they pay us, we know they involve her in financial management. That's why some quarrels they come. Because I tell you, one of the major causes of marital failures these days, finance follow. So you see this video where they show here, go watch that video. I talk about the 9 things eating your finance in marriage. Go watch that video. Thank you.